Hey everyone, this is Ram. So this video is about my stay at the GKM Grand Hotel in Port Blair. I was glad that I stumbled upon this place while I was scouting for hotels. The hotel offered complimentary airport pickup along with my booking. You could reach the hotel in less than 15 minutes from the airport, which was one of the reasons why I chose this hotel. My check-in process took less than 5 minutes and I was on my way to the room in no time. While heading to my room, I got to know that the hotel did not have an elevator. Know that their staff will happily help you with the luggage, so you don't have to be concerned about it. I was put up on the second floor, and this was my room. The room looked spacious and comfortable for 2 people. It smelled pleasant and I really liked the ambience of the room as well as the hotel. If you are someone who uses a lot of electronics with different pin configuration, make sure you carry a travel adapter because their wall sockets support only Indian plugs. What surprised me was the placement of the TV. Though I don't watch TV, I found it to be in an odd spot that would make the viewing experience difficult. They had a menu for in-room dining with a great variety of dishes. The entire room was neat and tidy. My favorite thing in the room was the comforter, which I found to be very soft. Though I slept only for a few hours, my sleep quality was pretty good. Walking into the bathroom, I found everything to be sparkling clean. And here's the view of the room with all the lights on. I dropped by at their restaurant and ordered some pulao and crispy chili cauliflower for my dinner. The food was delicious and their service was fast and it was really good. I didn't mind even when the hotel Wi-Fi didn't work because I went to the Andamans to do this and not this. I'm grateful that I had the chance to stay at this hotel thanks to the entire GKM Grand team who made sure I had a pleasant and comfortable stay. Be it a solo or a family trip, I would definitely recommend this hotel. So that wraps it for this video. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.